Not every soldier needs to be loud to be feared.
Vivian moves through a dark compound, footsteps, silent, rifle ready. Vivian doesn't chase attention. She lets silence do the work. Her radio crackles. Enemy patrol approaching fast. Vivian exhales slowly. Copy. I'll handle it.
Gunfire erupts, explosions flash. Vivian slides behind cover, firing with perfect control. Trained for chaos, built for survival. She's hit. Blood stains her armor, but she stands back up. Pain doesn't stop her. It reminds her why she fights. The battlefield falls silent. Vivian walks into the smoke as extraction arrives. Some warriors leave a trail of noise. Vivian leaves nothing but victory.